The length of the red-bellied woodpecker is 9.4 inches. Their wingspan is 13 to 16.5 inches. The bird's underbelly is an off-white beige color. The red color on the back of their heads gives them their name. The wings are black with white marks on them. Their head has a red cap covering the top of the head. The females are less vibrant than the males when it comes to the red patch on their head. When they fly, white flash marks show on their wings. This bird likes to eat insects, spiders, and other arthropods. In addition, they like acorns, nuts, and pine seeds. They usually perch on a tree trunk or one of the main branches on a tree, and they visit feeders often. This is the call of a red-bellied woodpecker.